Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel. Say hello.
Yeah, morning guys. Good morning.
Yes guys, so happy new year. Happy new year to everyone, all our viewers, all our subscribers, persons who just discovered us. Happy New Year to you, and we pray that all your dreams and your wishes will come true according to God's will and His purpose for your life. All right, with that said, we are heading to Mr. Mullins this morning. We are in Craighead, Manchester. I'm sure this little lane has its own name, you know, but we don't know it.
Get one name, man.
Don't know it at all, but I know that we're in Craighead, Manchester, and we are going to visit Mr. Mullins. It has been a while since we have been to Mr. Mullins, so I am happy that we're able to go see him this morning. And we are able to go to him because of an anonymous donor who donated during the Christmas holidays. And this individual wanted us to select 2 persons and, you know, buy them dinner. Well, it should have been dinner for Christmas. However, a lot of things were happening, and based on the timeline that we had, we never got to do it. So we're in the new year and we're taking the groceries that we have purchased, Marcel is carrying, to Mr. Mullins. So we have selected Mr. Mullins to be one of those persons to give the groceries to. So just want to say
Mud.
You just want to say mud?
Yes.
It's a whole
say
too.
Mud.
So just want to say to our anonymous donor, thank you so much. God bless you richly.
Mr. Mullins put on new sheet of zinc, everything new.
And we are more than appreciative.
Watch him, I look out.
Yeah. So it's not the first time that this donor has donated to us. So we thank you also for your continued support. All right, wife and husband, God bless. Sir Mullins.
Papa M.
What is stranger?
Stranger fly around with light.
What is stranger?
What you say?
Stranger one time.
Mr. Mullins.
I love music.
Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year of music.
Where we put this?
You can't make it.
Call her Michelle. You don't know we name. You know you have to know we name by now. We are top come here if you can't call we by we name.
I say your name what's up. Now one you try.
So Mr. Mullins, how you doing?
Well, me give you that thanks and
Someone is
praise.
very light there.
Oh.
They gone.
You blow it?
Let me not tell you. Me not call her and tell her.
I never remember, but I know
You like blow it?
Everything gone.
Lord Jesus.
Uncle Cynthia left for this.
what?
The card is so.
Uh-oh.
Uncle it left. They don't say it up. And the top they gone.
So only this leave out of it? This not no use. So you gone with the light time?
Gone with the man.
So you were in here when the hurricane?
No.
Oh, you came out?
Can't take me out, man.
Oh.
And I'm in knees. Take me out. And same time when he take me out, like him at the same time. Little after that.
The whole stop blow off?
Gone.
Completely?
Gone.
So you don't find the zinc them? You can't look for them still, so.
Them find few. But them find in a people place.
Oh.
People gone, same here, so you can't own anything
Yeah.
in that place.
Unless you name the right penny.
Exactly, it's in the stampy.
Yeah. So how long before you came back here? After the hurricane?
2 weeks.
2 weeks? So it's who helped you put on the roof in?
My niece.
Your niece help you? That's good. Yeah.
So we have to big up your niece. We have to big up your niece.
I know me still involved, but anyway.
So you get all veranda.
Yeah, man.
I didn't even
Still have
realize.
the veranda.
Huh?
I'm going to make it bigger.
Oh, you're going to make it out? Oh, okay.
I make it as when me come out and can have a space.
We and a father can sit down out there same way.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And me have some black me I go
Back around.
Catch one around.
Okay. Come in.
You know why I say you're smart. You say you're smart, man, for a long time.
So when you come out in a wheelchair, how you manage?
Come out, man.
In your background there, so.
Yeah?
You're going to leave here so open?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I'm going to leave him. I'm going to go back up. Then you they come down. But I'm going to leave here so and this so.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
If you can't go so, I can't go so.
The noni tree still standing though, Mr. Mullins?
One side gone.
Yeah, I see it.
One side gone.
For the most part, it look pretty though. It has spring up back
Yeah,
and
man, it has
everything.
spring up back.
And this saucer tree gone, the lime tree gone.
Lucky me no gone.
Blessed and lucky.
Blessed and highly favored.
Me always bless.
Yeah.
The Lord always bless me. Yeah.
So, Mr. Mullins, we brought you groceries this morning. We have an anonymous donor who asked us to give you some groceries.
Okay.
So we bring your groceries to you this morning. You really should have gotten it for Christmas, but we just never get to come.
God bless, God bless.
Yes.
Still a donor, thanks.
Very thanks. Thankful. Thankful for what we receive.
Yes. And meeting there here, so you have
Yeah,
to pull that out as soon.
And you know, get the wheelchair I know.
No, we're not getting no wheelchair yet.
I don't remember nothing about no wheelchair.
We can't even come out. We can't come out further than the incident.
So now a wheelchair that over there, so?
It's not no use.
What happened to it? You can't fix?
You can't.
Oh.
So if you're not good enough, try it out, man. Now when we come here and see you, I say you have wheelchair.
No, sir. We can't come further than so.
With this one? Oh, okay.
The wheel not good.
No, we.
So one point that can work.
You
I
know
take
about,
off that already.
you know about none.
No wheel on it. Oh, okay.
No about none.
I'm glad to see you still.
I see me glad to see
I'm
you.
glad say you're still there, you know. People gone in a hurricane, you know.
But it must be about 40 had gone one time. And they still find a couple more.
Yeah.
We can't miss meeting up high time.
Yeah, we spoke once or twice, I believe. But I missed a couple of calls too.
But me know say you're busy like a bee.
Yeah.
Yeah, how you
Miss a
have it?
couple of...
This is like an ants. Go and come. Go and come like ants.
You're damn busy for a man. You're damn busy. You don't put up me, you're damn busy.
What up?
Yeah.
You think you know where I come from?
You what?
You think you know where I come from?
You come from your ma.
Oh, no, you're chatting.
You know where you come from. But me know where you like. I joke me a make man.
Ah.
So where you there when them a put on the roof?
You don't power no mini so.
Oh, so you just come back on the roof and something?
No man, you can't turn up there.
Oh, you were watching while they were working from up the hill.
You turn up there
So
now.
then just put you out one part for your watch.
Hey, me don't power one of
So
me.
you wait till when you see the last zinc put on and say, I want to go home.
You know where you are. You know where you are.
Yeah.
And now yesterday me hear your friend ask, so you couldn't tell when he hear from you.
Yeah, it's been a while.
So he tell me yesterday.
She alright though?
Hey, all right,
Okay.
and he talk with me.
Yeah.
Me glad to see you no too. Yeah, man.
Yeah, we're glad we get to come.
Yes, man. For me know say you no name busy. One name busy and one name busy bee.
One name busy and one name busy.
Anything you want to put it.
So, Mr. Mullins, how your foot? It better?
You put.
The toe that was swelling up.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Good man, foot you alright, don't you?
All right. All right, yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, man. I will get money in my pocket.
They're going to give you some.
Yeah, stretch for.
How I name? Money name, you know.
So you don't have no money can give us a new year now, you know?
I beg one, you know, me glad when you see me, Marco.
Don't make you glad.
Yeah?
Why you glad?
I'm glad to see you.
No, you say you're big one money because you're glad when you see where you come.
Yeah, money, because you want to get the money.
Where that big Likkle?
I ask you if we have the money before you're glad. But I'm glad.
I'm glad. Anyway. I'm see you, I'm glad. I'm see you now come empty.
If one box of groceries, carry for you.
Some come out and then come back so they see me today, so they turn back.
But you want the only one who say you're alright.
That's all they want.
But they don't have to figure, so they just see you and turn back.
And they turn back.
Yeah. But at least then come, you know. That's good too, because you can have a conversation, you know.
Some of them, you know, I'm on with them. And then plan come up at that trouble. I see you there or so.
They never say somebody is alright. They go.
Ain't gone.
All right, Mr. Mullins.
Yes,
So,
We're not done with you.
then me know say I'm not busy.
yeah.
But me still remember the week here.
All right.
And you remember it or you want it? And you remember it?
But you have something can't carry, but me know nothing can't
You
carry.
carry it.
And I have to sit down pan it.
And that's why you have to wait, that's true.
Me always love wait.
All right, so, all right, Mr. Mullins, well, you know, persons are watching, so if they have a wheelchair and they can donate it to you, they will.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm very glad for it. Yeah, man.
All right.
And we are look for, we there still a look up, sir.
You're expecting somebody to come?
Me?
Uh-huh.
I look at one of my niece.
Oh.
You continue to look up there. Look for women and we there with you.
But you can't see no house up there, so is your man got treated?
No, him a look. Him a look out so.
I'm look for.
But you look out there, but are we there?
I mean, what say you there?
We are
Yes.
look for.
I mean, I know you for long time.
We must meet in a box, so nobody make you stay there. You know.
When you meet me, some open.
So wait till we left, not true?
But you catch up there.
I get to check it out the thing.
Yeah, what you say, sir? You could have get best man of that very.
I no look in there.
And I best. No, I put on none. I may have received something. I have to give thanks.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so Mr. Mullins, we're leaving now. We just want to say thanks again to our anonymous donor. God bless you richly. And thanks to everyone who has continued to support us, you know, throughout the years that we have been doing this. Because without you, we wouldn't be able to do it, you know. So I want to thank God also for his grace and mercies upon our lives. Yes. All right, so until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe and bye-bye. Yes.
All right, my general.
God bless you.
Big up yourself.
Love and justice.
Love and justice.